Welcome, I'm Salma, and today I'll show you how to launch a digital marketing career from scratch. A few years ago, I was lost and searching for a career with freedom and growth. Digital marketing changed everything for me. This field is booming, with opportunities for anyone willing to learn. You don't need a fancy degree, just the right roadmap and consistency. In this video, I'll break down the 9 essential steps to start your digital marketing career in 2025, from basics to landing your first job. I'll share the exact resources and strategies I used, so grab a notebook. Ready to build a flexible, high-demand career? Let's dive in. Why digital marketing? Simple demand, flexibility, and growth. Every business needs to reach customers online, meaning job security and endless opportunities. Many roles are remote or hybrid, letting you work from anywhere and design your own schedule. The pay is competitive, even at entry level, and you don't need a 4-year degree. Most top marketers are self-taught or certified online. Plus, digital marketing is always evolving. New platforms, new strategies, and constant learning. If you love problem solving and creativity, you'll never be bored. You can specialize, grow your income, and stay ahead of the curve. It's a career that rewards curiosity and adaptability. If you want a future-proof dynamic job, digital marketing is it. Let's get started on the how. Before anything else, master the fundamentals. Digital marketing has key pillars: SEO, content marketing, social media, PPC ads, email marketing, and analytics. You don't need to be an expert in all, but you should know how they connect. Start with free resources. Google's Digital Garage and HubSpot Academy offer excellent beginner courses and certifications. Read blogs like Moz, Social Media Examiner, and RFs for up-to-date strategies. Dedicate just an hour a day to learning. Build your foundation first. Everything else gets easier. Now let's talk about finding your focus. Digital marketer is broad. Specializing makes you stand out. Find your niche at the intersection of what you're good at, what you enjoy, and what the market needs. Love writing? Try content marketing or copywriting. Analytical? SEO or PPC could be your path. Creative and social? Social media management might be perfect. Explore, experiment, and double down on what excites you. Specializing helps you become an expert faster and increases your value. Let's move on to proving your skills. Certifications show employers you're serious and skilled. No degree required. They're focused, respected, and prove you've mastered key concepts. Google Digital Garage and HubSpot Academy offer free, recognized certifications. For paid ads, get certified in Google Ads and Meta Blueprint. For SEO, try SEMrush or Ahrefs certifications. Don't overdo it. 2 or 3 relevant certifications are enough. Studying for these will teach you the language and best practices of the industry. Next, let's get hands-on. Theory is great, but digital marketing is all about doing. Use free versions of industry tools: Google Analytics, Search Console, Ahrefs, Buffer, MailChimp, and Canva. Set up a simple blog or website and experiment. Track traffic, run a small ad, design graphics. Focus on core features, not mastering every tool. This hands-on practice turns knowledge into real skills. Employers want to see you can use these tools, not just talk about them. Build confidence by applying what you learn. Now, let's showcase your work. Your portfolio is your proof, more important than a resume. No job experience? Create your own start a blog, run a small campaign, or do a sample project for a brand you admire. Document your process, and results case studies are gold. Spec work counts. Design a content plan, audit a website, or write sample emails. Use simple platforms like Card or Wix to build your site. Keep it focused, professional, and results-driven. A strong portfolio makes you stand out even as a beginner. Next, let's build your online presence. Show the world what you can do. In digital marketing, your personal brand matters. Recruiters will Google you. Make sure they find something impressive. Optimize your LinkedIn professional photo, clear headline, detailed about section, and showcase your projects. Be active. Connect with industry pros, share insights, and comment thoughtfully. You don't need to post daily. Just be consistent and engaged. Your online presence builds trust and credibility before you even interview. It's a living extension of your portfolio. Now let's get real-world experience. Real business experience is the final bridge to being hireable. Start small freelance on Upwork or Fiverr, or offer to help a local business. Focus on gaining testimonials and case studies, not just money. Internships, especially at startups, offer mentorship and real responsibility. Don't be afraid to reach out to local businesses and offer your help. Every project, paid or unpaid, builds your confidence and your resume. Real-world results make you stand out. Now let's talk about staying sharp. Digital marketing never stands still. Neither can you. Dedicate time each week to learning Read Marketing Brew, ARF's blog, social media today. Listen to podcasts like Marketing School for daily tips. Follow industry leaders on LinkedIn and Twitter for real-time updates. Make learning a habit, not a chore. Staying current keeps your skills relevant and your career future-proof. Now you're ready to apply for jobs. Here's how to stand out. You've built skills, a portfolio, and real experience. Now it's time to apply. Don't send generic resumes. Tailor each application to the job description. Highlight relevant skills and use keywords from the posting. Write a cover letter that shows genuine interest in the company and role. Reference something specific about their marketing or mission. Network on LinkedIn. Many jobs come from connections, not job boards. Ask for informational interviews to learn and build relationships. Be persistent and patient. Every application is a learning opportunity. Remember, quality beats quantity. You're closer than you think. That's your 9-step blueprint to a digital marketing career in 2025. Take it one step at a time. Progress compounds quickly. This field is open to anyone with curiosity and drive. The opportunities are out there. Just start. Don't be afraid to ask questions or reach out for support. Be consistent, creative, and proactive. Download the free Digital Marketing Starter Kit below. Comment with your questions and subscribe for more guides. Your future in digital marketing starts now. Go for it.